Deep within the Amazon rainforest, a world of microscopic wonders awaits. Beneath the dense foliage, a realm of tiny creatures thrives. The Amazon rainforest is home to an estimated 30,000 plant species. Scientists believe that only a fraction of these species have been discovered. In this vast, unexplored world lies a treasure trove of microscopic marvels. From the majestic to the bizarre, we'll delve into the unseen world of Amazonian microfauna. Our journey begins in the heart of the rainforest, where the air is thick with moisture and life. Imagine a place where the trees are so tall, they create their own weather patterns. Here, the canopy above filters the sunlight, casting the forest floor in a soft, emerald green hue. As we make our way deeper into the rainforest, the sounds of the jungle grow louder. The rustling of leaves, the chirping of birds, and the gentle hum of insects create a symphony of sound. But amidst this vibrant tapestry lies a world of tiny, fascinating creatures. They are the masters of stealth, able to blend into their surroundings with ease. Meet the Amazonian leafhopper, a tiny insect with a remarkable ability to camouflage itself. Its body is covered in intricate patterns, allowing it to blend seamlessly into the leafy foliage. But that's not the only remarkable thing about this creature. The Amazonian leafhopper has a specialized body structure that allows it to jump with incredible force. It's like a tiny, six-legged rocket ship, capable of propelling itself through the air with ease. But how does it achieve such an impressive feat? Scientists believe that the leafhopper's unique body structure allows it to store energy in its legs. This energy is then released in a sudden, explosive motion, propelling the insect through the air. It's an incredible adaptation, one that allows the leafhopper to evade predators and catch prey. And then, something unexpected happened. A group of scientists stumbled upon a hidden clearing deep in the rainforest. As they explored the area, they discovered a species of microfauna that had never been seen before. Meet the Amazonian micro-panther, a tiny predator with a ferocious appetite. Its body is sleek and streamlined, allowing it to navigate the intricate network of roots and fungi that crisscross the rainforest floor. But what's truly remarkable about this creature is its ability to sense its surroundings. Using specialized sensors, the micro-panther can detect even the slightest movements in the air. It's like having a built-in radar system, one that allows it to track its prey with uncanny accuracy. The Amazonian micro-panther is a true marvel of nature, a testament to the incredible diversity of life on our planet. And yet, despite its impressive abilities, this creature remains largely unknown to the scientific community. It's a reminder that there's still so much to learn about the natural world. As we continue our journey into the heart of the rainforest, we'll encounter even more incredible creatures. From the majestic to the bizarre, we'll explore the unseen world of Amazonian microfauna. Join us as we delve into the uncharted territories of the rainforest and discover the secrets that lie within. Subscribe for more incredible stories like this and join our journey of discovery. In the next episode, we'll explore the incredible world of Amazonian fungi. From the towering fungal networks to the bizarre, alien-like creatures that inhabit them, we'll take you on a journey into the uncharted territories of the rainforest. So, join us as we explore the fascinating world of Amazonian fungi and discover the secrets that lie within. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the heart of the rainforest.